In this video, you'll learn how you can use Binance SPOT, how you can buy real coins, buy, sell them, set stop losses, take profits. Let's start. My name is Yuri, top often trading you with more than 50,000 followers. Push like, subscribe, turn on the bell to get updates. Take a look here. As you can see, my friend, to trade coins on Binance, you need to have Binance account. Link below. If you will use our link for opening an account, you will get 10% fee discount. First, take a look. When you open main page, what you do, you open trade, and I recommend you to use advanced mode for trade spot market. I'll share with you an example with TVT, a coin that I personally keep. As you can see, I have 1,978 coins on TVT. I'll share with you how I buy this coin, how I calculate my risk per position, all of that stuff. First, as you can see, to buy any coins, you can buy it by limit order or by market. By market, it means at current price right now. What you do, take a look here. You see amount of money that you have on your spot wallet, and what you do, you write, for example, you want to buy like TVT that costs you 2,000 USD. As you can see, I can buy, by the way, a lot of TVT, but I don't want to buy so much. That's why I would use an example 10 USD. As you can see, I buy 10 USD. It will be worth take a look. We just bought trade history, as you can see. We just bought 1972 coins. As you can see, total cost 9.9960 USDT. To sell those coins, it is really simple. What you do, you push sell, also by market. You can sell with limit. You also can set by market. You can sell with stop order. I personally would do, okay, let's sell 20 TVT. As you can see, I just sold 20 TVT coins. It was more than 10 USD, as you can see, limit and fee. As you can see, fee, my personal fees that I paid to Binance exchange. Some of you would tell me, okay, Yuri, but how can I buy, I would like to buy TVT if price would drop to 0.18. That calls a pending order. You don't need to buy exactly right now. You can set pending order. What you do, buy, you do limit. And what you do, here you write at price that what you would like to buy. Example, I would like to buy TVT at 0.1 and amount of TVT 100 TVT coins. As you can see, it would be total cost 10 USD for me. And what I do, they have limit in DOM, okay, 11. As you can see, open order by limit, the price, amount, field, as you can see, and total cost, that's all. To close it, what you do? Simple, cancel. Another one, what you do, if you bought to set stop loss, you need to open this OSO. And what you do, first, as you can see, 2 USD, stop, as you can see, 0.35. limit 0.35 and amount 50 TVT and sell TVT. Here, take a look. We have next conditions, limit marker, TVT stop loss limit. As you can see, if price drop to 35 cents, we have stop loss at that number, and we would sell everything at that number. Take a look here. I'll take profit at 2 USD, and here, as you can see, total amount of coins that we would gain if the take profit would breach. After that, as you can see, you can cancel all of them, and that's all. It's really simple to cancel it. Another one, how to choose another instrument that you would like to trade, would be example for you, like Ethereum. Ethereum, as you can see, we have Ethereum USDT and Ethereum BUSD. Remember that BUSD and USDT, it is the same. It is stable coins. BUSD, it is a stable coin that created by Binance, and USDT, it is stable coin created by Tether. And it doesn't matter what type of stable coin you use, both of them you can use on this exchange. It's the same here. As you can see, you buy it. There would be a separate lesson about margin buy. There would be a separate lesson about isolated margin for some of you that like to buy it. Major reasons why I don't like leverage, because take a look here, price drop by 60%, and if you have even double leverage, that means your account would be wiped out. Sometimes I use isolated margin, only in that case it's possible to use it. That's all. Here the same. If you buy coin, you can buy it by market. What you do, you write amount of money that you would like to put into a position. After that, what you do here, you can also buy limit, you can set buy limit, you can set sell stop, all of that stuff. As you can see here, all the instruments that you can trade on Binance. That's all, my friend. And to come back, take a look, to come back, TVT USDT. As you can see, I just came back. My USDT available, my TVT available here, and I can sell them. Remember that for some of you, your account could be not available because you don't have money to deposit money. You need to deposit it. About how to deposit account on Binance, you can watch separate lessons that would be in description. That lesson also, when you sold, for example, your coin and you want to withdraw it, there will also separate lesson about how to withdraw money. I will share with you my examples, how I personally withdraw money to my credit card, to my in cash in my country, different ways how you can do it. That's all. Friends, thank you for your time. Take care. Watch our AZ trading course. There will be a link below. Join our VIP room where you can learn how to trade crypto with step-by-step plan. Thank you.